Hello guys, today we'll talk about the Xbox Series X and S and PS5 sales. So we haven't updated this since November 21st, but these are the first weeks of the sales. And this is the PS5 sales and Xbox Series X and S. So the first one is USA sales. So the first start is USA. So the best-selling console in history in North America is the DS, followed by the PS2, followed by the Game Boy, PlayStation, PS4. Actually, the Wii is actually the third. Then Game Boy, then PlayStation, PlayStation 4. It's the PS2, DS, then the Xbox 360, then the Wii, then the Game Boy, then the PS1 and PS4. There's the Game Boy Advance also sold 4 million. I'm done talking, okay? But yeah, we also have consoles here. The Xbox One sold 41 million copies in the US. 41 million copies, and the PS4 only sold for there was really a 6 million copy difference. Same thing with the Xbox 360 and the PS3. The PS3 sold more copies worldwide, but in the US, the 360 sold way 50 million, nearly 50 million copies. And so now we have the Xbox Series X and the PS5. So the Xbox Series X and the PS5 in the US are only 320,000 copies apart. Europe, the PS5 is doing much better than the Xbox. Europe, the PS5 has sold 0.32 million copies. Obviously, that big launch because Europe, they got a delayed launch for the PS5. So yeah, that's why the PS5 numbers are so huge on the 21st, was because it launched in Europe, and that was its first week. Meanwhile, the Xbox has been out in Europe for weeks already. It isn't really that fair of a comparison. It's kind of like saying, oh yeah, the Switch, outsold the Xbox One PS4 at once, 2 months afterwards. But it just released in Europe. Same thing with Japan when the PS4 came out. Oh, the PS4 is the best-selling console of the week in Japan. But that would, but the console had a delayed launch in Japan. So, nah. And yeah, in Japan, the PS5 isn't doing too well in Japan. It only sold like 160,000 consoles, and the Xbox is not selling in Japan. But that's to be expected. That's Japan. They don't buy Xbox. They don't know what an Xbox is. Kind of like we don't know what a Vita was. So, it's the same thing here. We didn't know what a Vita was. So, here, Xbox 360 only sold 1.66 million copies, and Japan is like one of the worst selling consoles there of all time. It sold worse than the Wii U in Japan. Again, Nintendo's a recognized brand. It even sold worse than the Game Gear. Okay, the freaking Game Gear and the Dreamcast sold better in Japan. But there we go. The PS5 sold, according to VG Charts, 2.56 million copies and 1.59 million copies for the Xbox Series X and S. So both consoles, it doesn't matter if you're a fan of Xbox or PlayStation, both consoles had a pretty good start already. But we're still wondering how many of the 2.5 million copies of the PS5 are actual legit consoles sold or scalper consoles. Same thing with the Xbox Series X as well. Goodbye.